Hello everyone, chapter number 7, elements of group 16, 17 and 18. Yes, so these three groups are P blocks, okay, present in P blocks. So these elements are P block elements, okay. So group 16 is oxygen family, group 17 is halogen, and group 18 is inert gases. Oxygen family, halogen family, yes, and inert gases, yes. So the configuration, electronic configuration of P block element, the general electronic configuration is ns ns2 1 to 2, okay, np 1 to 6. So the electron present in p orbital, total electron capacity of p orbital is 6, okay. Maximum 6 electron is present in p orbital. Yes, you have already studied about the carbon family. Yes, कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन इज, कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या होगा, 1s2 2s2 and 3p2. Yes, means it is the general electronic configuration of carbon family is ns2 np2, ns2 np2, okay, ns2 np2. So this is quantum number n. Okay, the element oxygen, oxygen का atomic number 8, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium constitute group 16 called oxygen family. Large number of metal ores are oxides or sulfides. Group 16 elements are also called chalcogens or ore forming elements, okay. This group, the group 16 element is called oxygen family, okay. The first element of this group is oxygen, okay, and they are capability of forming ore. That is why it is called as chalcogens. Chalco means ore and gens means gens means producers, okay, or producing. Chalco, ore producing, okay. So oxygen is, oxy means life, yes, and gen means the producing. Oxygen is life producing, okay. So oxygen is the most abundant of all elements on the earth. Oxygen forms 20.95% by volume of air and about 40.6% by mass of earth crust. Sulfur forms 0.034% by mass of earth crust. It occurs mainly combined forms of sulfates such as gypsum, that is CaSO4 2H2O, Epsom salt MgSO4 7H2O, okay, and BSO4, this water, milk water, okay. It is also called barium water barite. The sulfides such as galena, PbS, zinc, ZnS and copper pyrite CuFeSO2, okay. When sulfide is there, the charge on sulfur is S2 minus, this is called sulfide, okay. Or when SO2 minus, if SO2 minus is coming, it is called sulfate. सल्फेट ऑक्सीजन के साथ आ रहा है तो सल्फेट, यस, और S2 के फॉर्म में है, फॉर एग्जांपल जिंक सल्फाइड S2 माइनस, यस, सल्फाइड. नेक्स्ट इज ग्रुप 17 एलिमेंट्स. ग्रुप 17 में फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन and iodine and astatine constitute of group 17. These are collectively known as halogens. Greek halo means salt, एंजेन मीन्स बोन, दूसरा भी मतलब होता है, ओके। दैट इज सॉल्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग एलिमेंट, सॉल्ट। हेलोजन हमेशा जो है, हेलोजन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आप देखेंगे फ्लोरीन का, क्लोरीन का और ब्रोमीन का, NP5 उसमें जो होगा 5 नंबर होगा, मतलब टू कंप्लीट द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन और टू कंप्लीट द p block, that is p shell, it accept the electron, okay, it will accept the electron, so it is always gain the electron, okay, attractions toward electron. Halogens are very reactive due to high electronegativity and hence they are not found in free state, they occur in form of compounds, okay, mainly for example NaCl का example हम लेते हैं, yes, so NaCl है, ये सॉल्ट के फॉर्म में मिलेगा हमको मोस्टली, ठीक है। सो क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन एंड एस्टेंटाइन, ये सारे ग्रुप 17 के एलिमेंट्स है, ओके। फ्लोरीन अकर्स मेनली एज insoluble fluorides, okay, fluorspars, cryolite, these are the formulas, fluoroptite, and small quantities are present in soil, freshwater plants and bones and teeth of animals. Seawater contains chloride, bromide and iodides of Na, K, Mg and calcium. However, it mainly contains NaCl 2.5% by mass. The deposits of dried up sea beds contain sodium chloride, carnallite, okay, KCMgCl2 6H2. Marine life is also contains iodine in their system. For example, seaweeds contain up to 0.5% iodine and chill saltpeter contains up to 0.2% of sodium iodate. Astatine, the last member of halogen family, is a radioactive and has a life half-life is 8.1 hours. The elements, उसको हम इनर्ट गैस बोलेंगे, 18 ग्रुप के एलिमेंट्स, ओके, ग्रुप 18 एलिमेंट्स, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रेयर गैस, इनर्ट गैस एंड okay, so it is inert gas. Inert gas means they are not reacting, okay. So the elements of helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon constitute the group 18. All the noble gases except radon occur in atmosphere. Their abundance in dry air is 1% by volume, with argon as a major constituent. The main commercial source of helium is a natural gas. Helium and neon are found in minerals of radioactive origin. Example: pitchblende, monazite, cleveite. Xenon and radon are the rarest elements of group. Radon is decay product of, okay, this, yes. So ये जो है इनर्ट गैसेस है, इसको नोबल गैस भी बोल सकते हैं, ओके। ये इसका नेम है ज़ीरो ब्लॉक, ओके, ज़ीरो ग्रुप एलिमेंट, ज़ीरो ग्रुप एलिमेंट और नोबल गैसेस और इनर्ट गैसेस, यस, they are because they are not reactive, because the p is p इलेक्ट्रॉन, ओके। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में देखेंगे तो हम उसका p जो है फुलफिल है, ठीक है, दिस दैट इज 6, इसकी कैपेसिटी 6 है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, यस। so condensed electronic configuration of element 16, 17 and 18. एलिमेंट जो है ऑक्सीजन फैमिली में, इसका जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या बनेगा, NH2NP4, ओके, NH2NP4, सी एंड सब में पी में 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन हो गए, ठीक है, और एस में लास्ट में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। 8 है एटॉमिक नंबर, 16, 34 एंड 52, 84. Elements of group 17, the general configuration will be NS2NP5. Okay, NS2NP5 and fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. In group 18 elements, the configuration of the elements will be completed. Okay, P shell is completed here, complete 6 electron. Okay, so that is why they are not reactive and inert. 5 P block में जो है, P shell में 5 electrons है. Okay, to complete the shell, okay, to complete the state, it will accept the electron, so they are very reactive. इसका इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी पूरे पीरियोडिक टेबल में आप चेक करेंगे तो फ्लोरीन का सबसे ज़्यादा है. ओके, फ्लोरीन का इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी इज मोर. एंड yes, atomic and physical properties of element group 16, 17 and 18. So atomic properties of group 16, 17 and 18. First we'll see atomic property. So atomic and ionic radii. In group 16, 17 and 18, atomic and ionic radii increase down the group as a result of increase in the number of quantum shell. Across the period, atomic or ionic radii decrease with increasing atomic number, consequent to increase in effective nuclear charge. Group 17 elements halogen have smallest atomic radii in their respective periods. Okay, so जैसे हम एटॉमिक और आयनिक रेडियाई जो है इंक्रीज होता है डाउन द ग्रुप 16, 17 एंड 18 में. यस, इंक्रीज इन द नंबर ऑफ क्वांटम शेल इंक्रीज होगा. और पीरियड के अक्रॉस एटॉमिक और आयनिक रेडियाई डिक्रीज विथ इंक्रीज द एटॉमिक नंबर. ओके, क्योंकि चार्ज इंक्रीज होगा, न्यूक्लियर इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज विल इंक्रीज. सो जो ग्रुप 17 हैलोजन है वो स्मॉलेस्ट एटॉमिक रेडियाई इन देयर रिस्पेक्टिव पीरियड. आयोनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी. The group 16, 17, 18 elements have high ionization enthalpy. Okay, ये ionization enthalpy है. And the ionization enthalpy decrease down the group due to increase in atomic size. Across the period, ionization enthalpy increase with increase of atomic number. This is due to the addition of electron in a same shell. However, the elements of group 16 have lower ionization enthalpy values compared to those group 15 in corresponding periods. Okay, owing to extra stable half-filled electronic configuration of p orbitals in the elements of group 15. तो दो स्टेबल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, एक तो हाफ फिल्ड, ओके, कंप्लीटली फिल्ड और एम्प्टी. Electronegativity. Electronegativity in a group 16, 17 and 18, the electronegativity decrease down the group. Oxygen has highest electronegativity next to fluorine amongst all the elements. Halogen have very low electronegativity. Fluorine is the most electronegative element in the period. Physical properties of group 16, 17 and 18 elements. A. Group 16 element, that is oxygen family. Oxygen is a gas while other elements are solid at room temperature. Oxygen and sulfur are non-metal. Selenium and tellurium are metalloids. While polonium is a metal, polonium is a radioactive with half-life of 13.8 days. Melting and boiling point increases with increase the atomic number. All the elements of group 16 exhibit allotropy. Next is group 17, halogen family. So fluorine, chlorine are gases, bromine is a liquid, and iodine is a solid at room temperature. F2 is yellow, Cl2 greenish, Br2 red, and violet in color, I2. Yes. Fluorine and chlorine react with water. Bromine and iodine are only sparingly soluble in water and are soluble in various organic solvents such as chloroform, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, hydrocarbons which give colored solution. Bond dissociation, enthalpies of halogen molecule follow the order. Okay? This is the order of bond dissociation. Group 18 elements are noble gases, are monoatomic. They are sparingly soluble in water. Noble gases have very low melting and boiling points. Helium has the lowest boiling point of any known substances. Okay. Next is जो next topic है we'll see in next lecture. Okay, so these are all basically very important, but आपको साथ में सिर्फ याद रखना है कि क्या प्रॉपर्टीज़ है. ओके, कोई कंसेप्चुअल टॉपिक नहीं है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल दिस. सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिखते समय आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना है कि जर्नल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या है.